Hey, what's up guys? UDRC here, back with a vid. Recently grabbed me a DTS-1 system by Traxxas, a drag timing system. Just just have some little more fun with drag racing. Just a quick little rundown, some of the features. Laser precise, race up to 330 feet, which is a quarter scale. Authentic light system, simple push button operation, high intensity LEDs, portable and easy and fast setup, compatible with Traxxas Link app and TQI docking base. Moving on to the back, you can see this is what it looks like. On the lasers, 6 lasers to get it going. You can race with you race any vehicle really. Doesn't have to be a Traxxas model to use this system. Although with the TQI radios, it is kind of easier to get everything going. But I said we'll figure out how all that stuff's going to work. All right, and then batteries will be use AA's or these hump packs. All right. Now on the top, you guys can see that. So I said I have the features, right? This use the app or the docking station on the radio. So the DTS versus the DTS with the TQI and the Traxxas Link. So both of them you could stage and pre-stage beam, pro or sportsman tree, dual beam finish line, testing and race modes, winner indicator, foul indicator, and then this is where it gets a little different. These next 3 features, but just using the DTS, you do not get reaction time, the time elapsed, and trap speed. But with the DTS, TQI, or the Traxxas Link, you get, those things with that. The practice streak comes on either feature you use. Bracket race and dial in does not work with just the DTS or the event moderator. You need the DTS with the TQI or the Traxxas Link to get all of the features, but it's always it's still Wi-Fi connectivity with both of them. All right, let me go ahead and pop the box open to see what I'm looking like in here. Again, this is not brand new. This is used. Right on top is the manual. Even has the receipts from when first bought it brand new. The manuals look pretty good still. All right. The cover on it. Still got the plastics. So here are all the beams right here. Got the mounts. All right. These are all the beams. 6 of them. 2, 4, 6. I put that to the side here. And then, so let's see here. All right. This looks like the end of the system, where you get your speeds and your ETAs and all that stuff. And this looks like the main part, or the stage in the tree. All right. And this one here is the tree, guys. All right. Put this off to the side. And this what goes in the top of the tree, where you can see the menu, set, and options. You scroll through the menu like that. And then this Allen key here, what you use to adjust the beams up or down. All right. And I'm sure any Allen key will work, but it's what came with it. So that's pretty much the contents as far as what's in the box that comes with it. I'll do a video where I'll try to set it up and do some quick test passes in the house. But yeah, so this is pretty much what it looks like, guys. Traxxas DTS system. Let me just get out the wrapper real quick for you guys so you can see it. So this is the tree here. I guess it just pops up. All right. Pops up like that. That's how it goes. Look in the back. Has like a little guide here. It tells you what to do. Alright, like that. This will be the end point. Goes in the other end. Alright. So it look kind of like this in a way. Alright, so yeah, quick unboxing. I'll show you guys another little gadget I'm gonna add to some fun racing. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one.